Here are 8 handful settings you should go about changing right away. In this video we're presenting the process on Android 10. If you're using a different Android version, the steps might vary slightly but all the options should still be available. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. Number 1. Turn on Wi-Fi calling. If your phone is struggling to find a cellular connection, but does have a strong link, it can use the Wi-Fi option to send and receive calls, as long as your provider supports it. Open up Settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi and Internet. Tap SIM and Network. Your SIM profile. And then enable Wi-Fi calling. Number 2. Tone down notifications. The more efficient your notification setup, the more you'll be able to get done, with and without your phone. Android let you turn off notifications for certain apps, or simply silence notifications, so they appear on screen but don't cause a sound or vibration. Open up Settings. Then tap Apps and Notifications. Then choose an app to adjust its notifications. Some apps let you set notifications for some app events like Facebook tags, comments, and you can check other options. Number 3. Identify who is calling. When your phone starts ringing from the other side of the room, it can be helpful to have an idea of who's calling, as it's probably a factor in whether you want to answer the call or not. To this end, Android lets you associate ringtones with particular contacts in your address book. You need to tap a contact in the Contacts app. Then set ringtone. Number 4. Stretch out phone's battery. No matter what the make and model of your phone, it will come with some built-in tools for managing battery life more efficiently, which will mean a longer time between charges. It's just a question of turning them on. The option you need is in Settings behind the Battery menu entry. Make sure Adaptive Battery is turned on, and that Battery Saver is set to intelligently operate based on your routine. Number 5. Save on storage space. Android phones come up with built-in tools for clearing out photos and videos from your phone. Enabling this feature can mean you avoid running out of room on your handset at the most inopportune times, like when you're trying to take a new photo. Go to Settings. Find Storage. Tap on Free Up Space. And select infrequent apps whose data you want to clean. Then tap on Free Up Data. Number 6. Give your eyes a rest. Blue light produced by the screens of our gadgets has been linked to reducing the quality of our sleep, so it's probably not a good idea to watch hours of YouTube before bed. If you must check your phone late at night, you can at least change the display temperature so less blue light gets emitted. To set this up, go to the Settings. Then tap Display. Night Mode. You can enable the effect manually or on a schedule. Number 7. Set your limits. If you want to restrict the time you spend messing about on social media apps and the web, but don't necessarily want to go as far as removing the offending apps from your phone, then you can set daily time limits on specific apps. Of course, it's your phone, so you can simply unset them again, but it might aid your willpower. Open up Settings. And tap on Digital Wellbeing. Then Dashboard. You can then set timers for any of the apps on your device. Number 8. Improve device security. You probably set up some kind of fingerprint ID or PIN code, but that screen lock protection isn't much use if someone manages to grab your phone before the lock is enabled, and that's why you should pay attention to what your screen timeout setup. You can set this by going to Settings. Then choosing Display. Tap on Sleep. And choose the Idle Screen Timeout. You have just watched 8 must-have settings for Android phone. Subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. Do leave a comment and hit like.